Hi, welcome to Unit 11, Day 1. Today we're going to be looking at representing sample spaces to begin our statistics unit, our final unit of the year. So we're going to look at representing sample spaces. The sample space of an experiment is the set of all possible outcomes. It can be found using an organized list, a table, or a tree diagram. So let's look at an example. Maurice packs suits, shirts, and ties that can be mixed and matched. Using the packing list at the right, draw a tree diagram to represent the sample space for the business suit combinations. So the sample space is the result of 3 stages. He's going to select a suit, he'll select a shirt, and then he'll select either to wear a tie or to not wear a tie. Okay, so for my tree diagram, I'm going to start with the first stage. My first stage is he can have a gray suit, or he can have a black suit, or he can have a khaki suit. That's probably closest to khaki, although that may not show up. I'm going to do this one. Khaki. Okay, then from there he's going to pick a shirt. He's either going to pick a white shirt or he's going to pick a light blue shirt. Well, white is definitely not going to show up. So for that, let's go with, I don't know, let's go this brown color. All right, so we can go with the gray suit, and then he can choose from there. He can go, all right, I'm going to wear a white shirt. Or he can have a black suit and a white shirt. Or he can wear a khaki suit and a white shirt. Or maybe he doesn't want to wear a white shirt. Maybe he wants to wear the light blue shirt. So he could do a gray suit and a light blue shirt. I'm just going to put blue. Or a black suit and a blue shirt. Or the khaki suit and a blue shirt. Then he needs to decide, am I going to wear a tie or am I not going to wear a tie? So then he's going to have tie or no tie. I'm just going to do those in red. So he's going to wear the tie or he's going to wear no tie. So it's a gray suit, a white shirt, and a tie, or a gray suit, a white shirt, and no tie. Or a gray suit, a blue shirt, and a tie, or gray, blue, and no tie. We'll say none. Black, white, and tie. Black, white, and no tie. Black, blue with a tie. And black, blue, and no tie. Khaki, white, and tie. Khaki, white, and no tie. Then, let me make myself a little more room. A khaki suit, a blue shirt, and a tie, or a khaki suit, a blue shirt, and no tie. Okay, so then when it says to list the outcomes, I can say I'm going to wear, and I'm just going to abbreviate, gray, white with a tie, gray, white with no tie, gray, blue with a tie, gray, blue with no tie, black, white with a tie, black, white with no tie, black, white, not white, black, blue with a tie, black, blue with no tie, khaki, white, tie, khaki, white, no tie, khaki, blue, tie, and khaki, blue, no tie. So he has, when he packs just these, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 articles of clothing, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different outfits that he can wear. from packing just those few items in his suitcase. Okay, and so it's easiest to do if you have this little tree diagram to see all of your outcomes to make sure you don't miss any. Okay, so look at the next example. It says represent the sample space for each experiment by making an organized list, a table, and a tree diagram. So I'm going to start with the tree diagram because I think for me anyways, that might be my easiest one. Okay. All right. So when I start this, we're going to say a baseball team can wear maroon or white shirts with black or gray pants. Okay. So that means they're going to pick a maroon shirt, and I know that's orange, and a white shirt, but since I can't use the white anyways. And then from there, they're either going to wear black pants or they're going to wear gray pants. Okay, so I can see that's my tree diagram. For my table, here's how you would do it in a table. You would take your first option, maroon, and then white. And then you would take your second option and make that your heading for your columns, black or gray. So when I do that, I can see my outcomes. It can wear maroon with black, white with black, maroon with gray, and white with gray. So that is my table. My organized list, I can use either my table or my tree diagram to figure that out. The table, I've already got them abbreviated. Maroon with black, white with black, maroon with gray, white with gray. So there is my organized list. My tree diagram, my table, and my organized list. Okay, let's look at the next example. Number 2, my second example, really kind of my third. Mikey's baby sister can drink either from apple juice or grape juice or milk from a bottle or from a toddler cup. Okay, so that means we are picking between apple juice, grape juice, and milk. And then we're drinking it either in a bottle or a toddler cup. Either a bottle or a cup. Either a bottle or a cup. There's my tree diagram. For my table, I'm going to put my first option as my column, or as my rows for my table. Apple juice, grape juice, and milk. And then for my columns, I'm going to have either a bottle or a toddler cup. So apple juice in a bottle, apple juice in a cup. Grape in a bottle, grape in a cup. Milk from a bottle or milk from a cup. There's my table. Then I'm just going to use my outcomes. Either I can go apple bottle, apple cup. I can use my tree diagram like I did with the packing list, or I can use my table. Apple bottle, grape bottle, milk bottle. And then my cups. Apple cup, grape juice cup, milk cup. There's my organized list. My tree diagram, my table, my organized list. All right, in the next video, we're going to look at a new vocabulary concept called the fundamental counting principle. So make sure you come on back to see that video. Thank you so much for watching.